Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. A warm welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of my tour at Nuwara. I have given in two parts as it will be a lengthy video if I have given in one, and for sure that would have been boring for you people. So I decided to give in two different parts. And here we are, arrived at the Lake Gregory. Lot of flowers between the walking paths and giving an extra attraction to the park, and it's fully surrounded by hills. This Gregory Lake in the hill country is extremely a popular place which attracts both tourists and locals. You can feel cool and calm air always. The lake was constructed in 1873. At the time, British Governor William Gregory was in power. Earlier, it was a wetland and constructed as a reservoir for the purpose of providing electricity. And the most fun thing on the lake is the boat ride. Nobody would leave the lake without a boat ride, and so we. The boatman was friendly and very keen that he made sure his passengers were sanitized before getting into his boat. The wearing of life jackets. In case if something goes wrong, we'll be rescued easily. The Lake Gregory is visited by large number of tourists and locals every year. People can enjoy relaxing here and spend a quality time with their friends and family. And this lake includes many recreational activities, not only normal motorboats, but swan-shaped paddle boats, pony rides, windsurfing, and much more fun activities. I had an amazing and good time with my family here. And the most important thing that we youngsters carve for is definitely for beautiful pictures. Yes, you can get yourself clicked some nice pictures and make memories. And why not, you will have enough pictures for your Insta, Facebook and WhatsApp DP. Rates are not that high, it's affordable. Normal boat which can occupy around 8 to 9 people was like 1000 to 1500. I cannot remember the exact rate. But I'm sure the rates are affordable. To be honest, the beauty of this lake will leave you mesmerized.
சாய் நல்லா வேணுமா இருந்தால் இந்த டீ எடுங்க, நார்மல் plain டீ குடிக்கிறதா இந்த டீ எடுங்க. அப்போ ரெண்டுமே வேணுமா இருந்தால்.
And we arrived to the must-visit place, the Damrol Labukale Tea Factory. If you need to have a flavorful cup of tea, then this is your destination. This is a great place to purchase high-quality tea powder, and their cakes were mouth-watering. We got 2 different cakes. One was new to us, that the tea cake. It gave us a different taste, and the other was the chocolate cake. You can take a safari tour around their tea plantation, and I guess you should book for the tour in its earliest. We went straight down the steps to visit the small stream passing by. The water was so cool and refreshing. I couldn't wait. Finally, I drank the water. We bought a pack of 5 tea powder boxes, both mixed and to make tea and plain tea separately, and as well they have many different flavors of tea. As I have tasted few flavors, I wasn't that interested to buy in flavors, so I went with the normal natural ones. And this is all about the famous Ceylon tea we enjoyed. And here comes the place which I really wanted to visit, and also it is situated in a nice place. As others were not much interested, because of me they accompanied. I was eagerly waiting to taste after placing the orders: strawberry milkshakes, fresh strawberry drink and strawberry ice cream. After which they placed the order on the table, I was speechless. The ice cream was the normal vanilla ice cream with strawberry topping and some syrup. And what about the fresh drink and milkshake? It was like I just wasted the money because each cost you $4.50, and here I have attached the bill. To be honest, I can make better ones than this. So my experience was awful, and I guess avoiding this place would be a much better option. Spending on something worth is really good, but not in places like this, as I guess. And that's for the day. We reached home at around 8 pm and after dinner jumped to the bed for a long rest. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon and press all.